PEMF can be confusing, and the vast sea of information on the internet often makes it even more bewildering. This is why we've designed the Level 1 PEMF course. I'm Andy, the creator of the course and the founder and MD of NewMed. With a decade of experience in the PEMF industry, I've seen firsthand how newcomers to PEMF struggle to navigate the complex world of information online. If you found yourself lost in the maze of scientific jargon and lengthy articles, this course is tailor-made for you. In this course, we've broken down all the key aspects of PEMF and made it straightforward as possible to understand. Our goal is to help you embark on your PEMF journey with confidence. It's ideal for anyone who's starting their PEMF journey, whether it be personal use, at home, or for professional purposes. This is a fully online course that takes approximately 2 hours to complete. There's no deadlines, so you can study at your own pace, whenever or wherever suits you. Upon completing the course, you'll receive your Level 1 certificate, a symbol of your newfound knowledge. Plus you'll get a course logo that you can proudly display on your business, showcasing your commitment to the excellence. Now that you understand how our Level 1 PEMF course can simplify your journey into the world of PEMF therapy, it's time to take that important first step. Start today and unlock the power of PEMF. NewMed's Level 1 PEMF course, making PEMF simple and accessible.